The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp stove system delivers two powerful burners that feel like a real kitchen range at camp, making group meals fast and straightforward even in cold conditions. Its nested design, with the stove folding into the large cooking pot and everything sliding into a compact carry bag, saves a surprising amount of space in a crowded vehicle or gear bin. Included cookware, namely the large flux pot and ceramic-coated frying pan, means you can actually cook proper breakfasts, one-pot dinners, and sauces instead of just boiling water. Flame control is impressively precise for a camp stove, allowing gentle simmering without scorching, as well as rapid boils for coffee, pasta, or melting snow. The integrated windscreen and regulated burners keep performance consistent when the weather turns gusty or temperatures drop, which is a big advantage on exposed campsites. Its compatibility with standard propane bottles and other Jetlink-ready stoves lets you expand into a full camp kitchen for overlanding or base camp setups without juggling multiple fuel types.